How to add full reel on Instagram story. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the key to add a full reel to your Instagram story is to have that reel on your mobile device gallery first. So whatever reel you want to add to your story, download it first to your mobile device, and once you have it in your gallery, only then you can add it to your story. So once you do that, once you have downloaded the reel and you have it on your gallery, go ahead and open up Instagram and then click to add a story. And say for example I have this reel right here. So here you can simply, as you can see, this is a reel that I have downloaded on my account, on my mobile device, sorry, and have added it as a story. And here you can simply just continue to add or to edit the story just like you usually do. And once you are done, click to share to your story, and as you can see, that full reel will be shared to your story normally. It's a very easy and simple process, and it's very straightforward. So let me wait, it's still posting. As you can see, once your story has been posted, you will see that the reel is there. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add full reel to your Instagram story. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.